Hello there, and many thanks for popping back over to your trusty Coin Sears channel. Before the price of Jasmine coin falls to 5 cents, you need to know what's going on and why many are calling this a slump. There will be an explosion. In order to stay up to date with everything happening in the cryptocurrency field during this bull market and not miss out on the chance to make $1, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. But with that out of the way, let me give you a quick rundown of Jasmine and why there have been so many demands for a 5-cent price point. You might have missed Jasmine's spectacular 200 to 300% spike if you've been hiding under a rock. We are now going through a small consolidation period as we get ready for the next leg up. In addition, the market's functioning will resemble Bitcoin's. With a support level of 69.3, we saw the blast off top, which lasted for around 66 CAR at that time. The following day, after the major event that caused $1.2 billion to be removed from the cryptocurrency market globally, the global market value was about 4%. Bitcoin is visible there, orbiting about 66,000. I'm the only one still in the top 100, as you'll see as we move down the list. Currently, the 97th most valuable cryptocurrency is selling for almost 2 cents. Still, the question remains, what is the purpose of this video? The price potential has dropped below 5 cents. In my opinion, due to a few of critical criteria. That's a common sentiment, too. Nevertheless, you need to understand Jasmine's fundamental principles. Data democratization, Junction's expected release date, functionality, and JASMY's broader long-term strategy and plan have all been extensively discussed on this channel. But there are a couple of major distinctions that set Jasmine out from the crowd of coins, particularly in its field where it has been so distinctive. So, we may have a look at IoT. As I've said before, Jasmine is beginning to really stand out when it comes to the Internet of Things, the interconnection of things, and, finally, the sharing of data. On the other hand, Jasmine is clearly making strides and is now the second largest coin in terms of volume. Furthermore, the market's wealth is evident from the fact that FAT Jr.'s volume has been rising continuously to over $1 billion. We are cognizant of the fact that people are trying to find credible projects to put their money into since they show promise and have been around for some time. Market capitalization for the entire sector is at $10.8 billion, and trading volume is little under $1.9 billion, indicating the enormity of the price. Among your various things, I am ranked second, right behind Helium, IOTA VeChain MXC, Retrieve AI, and plenty more. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground when it comes to Jasmine's basics here on the channel. Among these, you can find the fact that all 50 billion max are currently in circulation and that the complete supply is out there. Additionally, we are cognizant of the fact that 49,299 units, or 98.6% of the overall inventory, are currently in use. Well, what does that resemble? Can be a question you're wondering. Why is that important? Once a talk reaches its maximum supply, the coin supply becomes static because miners can no longer create the tokens, says a wise city official when asked about the circulating supply. They anticipate that demand will rise until the supply of these coins is limited, at which point they anticipate a guaranteed increase in value. This is the general consensus regarding scarcity. After all, it should be clear where this is going and why it's important to remove the coins from circulation when you think about Jasmine's future and why it will be critical to hold on to that coin. In addition to the plethora of other things that are planned for me personally, there is also the Q4 lockup. To a large extent, it is fair that there is a finite amount in circulation. Given that Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network, how much are you willing to sell me your jazz? Considering that big companies and institutions will be eager to get their hands on it, and that if it can actually make money off of everyone's data, the market will go absolutely bonkers. But I'm not the only one expecting these prices. As I indicated before, a lot of individuals have been in to talk about the 5 to 10-year forecast, particularly in relation to pricing, fundamentals, and market direction. Many individuals are predicting that 496, on the other hand, in 2030, 5 cents might rise to midnight, or in 2024 it could rise to the high 90s. A prospective 20 cents can be revealed by looking ahead. Embrace each moment for what it is. This is not based on genuine facts. Given the current and future status of the market, however, everything is speculation at this point. Yesterday, we saw that there was a substantial adjustment. The truth, though, is that jasmine is the subject of study. This currency has, up until recently, garnered very little interest. Many have been hesitant to touch it due to the great demand and the limited availability, which has created an artificially high bar from the all-time high. The fact is, nonetheless, that some basics remain unattended. However, we still have a team that is dedicated to completing this. The recognition it has been seeking is finally starting to trickle in. This consolidation is happening again on the hourly time frame, as can be seen in the chart. There has been a break through the hourly 0.5 fib, but there seems to be a minor push down, probably reaching the 200 exponential moving average. Consequently, we can anticipate a slight further decrease and a retest of this lower area before any movement is possible. Clearly, it is important that we are printing the peaks and troughs again. Given Bitcoin's rally potential, the market might easily fall further now that we saw an instantaneous lower bottom. Perhaps this will turn around and show the support levels around 618 and 786 again. If that happens, we could soon be seeing a rise and challenging those higher JASMY levels. If you look at the MACD trend, which is nearly perfect, you'll find that we followed a similar pattern before the huge breakout on several occasions. This, in my opinion, lays the stage for a massive surge to the 5-cent region very soon. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has also re-entered the middle range, providing significant breathing room for price and volume increases. But as always, I'd love to hear your opinions in the space provided. In your opinion, how good is JASMY? If you think we've hit rock bottom, as usual, please tell me in the comments. On a related note, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Hope to see you soon.